Good morning, students. Today our topic is synthetic fibers. We are studying chapter 3, fiber to fabric. We have studied about plant fibers, animal fibers, and today we will study about synthetic fibers. What are synthetic fibers? The fibers made by human beings are called synthetic fibers. A synthetic fiber is a type of chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Many such small units combine to form a large unit. This is called a polymer. Types of synthetic fibers: rayon is also known as artificial silk, nylon, polyester, acrylic. These are the common synthetic fibers made by man. Synthetic fibers are also known as man-made fibers. Rayon was the first man-made fiber from a natural-based material. Rayon is prepared from cellulose. Cellulose is present in plants. Rayon has silk-like appearance, hence it is also known as artificial silk. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Nylon was first developed in America by an American scientist, Wallace H. Carthus, for messrs of DuPont, De Nemours and Company, America in 1935. It is the strongest synthetic plastic material which can be molded to any shape. People believe that nylon has been named since its products were simultaneously launched in New York and London, hence the name nylon. Nylon fiber is used for fine saris, thread, reel, thread, ropes, fishing lines and fishing nets, carpets, raincoat, swimwear, parachutes, umbrella, etc. Next synthetic fiber is polyester. Alcohol and organic acids react together to make compounds called esters, which are polymers. These are therefore called as polyesters. So polyester is a synthetic fiber which is obtained by the reaction of alcohol and organic acids. Acrylic is another important synthetic fiber. Acrylic fiber is commonly known as different trade names such as acrylon, Orulon, Zephon. It is a synthetic wool-like fiber with crimps. One more category of synthetic fiber is blended fabrics. Blended fabrics are made up of natural fiber plus synthetic fiber. For example, terracotta is a blended fabric which is made up of cotton and terylene. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.